Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. The Bulls Roar Video Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 1C66C193 2020 10:41 17 AM US dollar September USD up at 92.880. Energies October 20th crude is down at 40.84. Financials the December 20th, 30-year bond is down 11 ticks and trading at 176.28. Indices the September S&P 500 MNIES contract is 28 ticks lower and trading at 3,572.00. Gold the August 20th gold contract is trading down at 1941.40. Gold is 33 ticks lower than its close. Initial conclusion: this is not a correlated market. The dollar is up and crude is down, which is normal, but the 30-year bond is trading lower. The financials should always correlate with the US dollar such that if the dollar is lower then bonds should follow and vice versa. The S&P is lower and crude is trading lower, which is not correlated. Gold is trading lower, which is correlated with the US dollar trading up. I tend to believe that gold has an inverse relationship with the US dollar, as when the US dollar is down, gold tends to rise in value and vice versa. Think of it as a seesaw: when one is up the other should be down. I point this out to you to make you aware that when we don't have a correlated market, it means something is wrong. As traders you need to be aware of this and proceed with your eyes wide open. Asia traded lower with the exception of the Nikkei exchange, which is trading higher. Currently all of Europe is trading higher. Possible challenges to traders today: Challenger job cuts is out at 7:30 AM estate major. Unemployment claims is out at 8:30 AM estate. This is major. Revised non-farm productivity is out at 8:30 AM estate. This is not major. Revised unit labor costs QQ is out at 8:30 AM estate. This is not major. Trade balance is out at 8:30 AM estate. This is major. Final services PMI is out at 8:30 AM estate. This is major. ISM non-manufacturing PMI is out at 10 AM estate. This is major. Natural gas storage is out at 10:30 AM estate. This is major. Treasuries VVE elected to switch gears a bit and show correlation between the 30-year bond ZB and the S&P futures contract. The S&P contract is the Standard & Poor's and the purpose is to show reverse correlation between the two instruments. Remember, it's likened to a seesaw: when up goes up the other should go down and vice versa. Yesterday the ZB made its move at around 8:15 AM estate. The ZB hit a low at around that time and the S&P moved lower. If you look at the charts below, ZB gave a signal at around 8:15 AM estate and the S&P moved lower at around the same time. Look at the charts below and you'll see a pattern for both assets. ZB hit a low at around 8:15 AM estate and the S&P was moving lower shortly thereafter. These charts represent the newest version of multi-charts and I've changed the time frame to a 15-minute chart to display better. This represented a long opportunity on the 30-year bond. As a trader you could have netted about 30 plus ticks per contract on this trade. Each tick is worth $31.25. Please note the front month for the ZB is now December 20th. The S&P contract remains at September 20. I've changed the format to Renko bars such that it may be more apparent and visible. Charts courtesy of multi-charts built on an AMP platform bias. Yesterday we gave the markets a neutral bias as the instruments were split dead center with no majority in either direction, hence the neutral bias, which means the markets could go anywhere. They decide to go to the long side and the Dow gained 455 points on the day. The other indices gained ground as well. Today we aren't dealing with a correlated market and our bias is neutral. Could this change? Of course. Remember, anything can happen in a volatile market. Commentary: yesterday we had a virtual tsunami of economic reports with just about all of them major and proven market movers. The bulls took command and didn't look back, with the Dow gaining 455 points on the day and reclaiming the 29,000 mark, something we haven't seen in a while. Today we have challenger job cuts and unemployment claims, both of which will dovetail nicely into non-farm payrolls to be released tomorrow. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.